Hi everyone, I'm Ruth and welcome to my channel Count Your Blessings. Today I'm sharing with you my room makeover video. This has been long overdue, so without further ado, let's get started. Well, this was how my room looked like until the end of last year. And this was when the makeover actually began. I had this wallpaper. And this was my computer table. I wanted to paint over this wall because the kids had drawn over it and it didn't look very nice. And any guesses on what the color I chose was? And I brought down most of the shelves. And then the painting work began. If you've guessed what color, let me know in the comments down below. If you haven't, as you can see, it was white. Your girl loves white. This was after the first coat. And yes, I did give the whole room another coat of white. Later, this was how it looked. Didn't set up too much. And then it was Christmas. You can check out my Christmas room tour. I'll link it below. And then this happened. The kids were playing on the bed one day and it broke. So we had to call the carpenter and set it right. After that, this was how it looked. I did do some changes here and there. These videos are also linked below. I did share a video on how to style curtains. And if you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for staying. Our family has been growing strongly, steadily, and I would like all my subscribers. I thank all my subscribers for their continued support. This was how it looked with a few changes. The main change was the positioning of the bed, and I still thought it was missing something. I took the shelf that has been in my house for more than a year and I finally figured out how to fix it. I had actually bought it online and it just took 5 minutes to arrange it. I kept it on the wall, marked it where it should hang. These hooks that came along with them. Tried putting them on the wall, but since my walls were cemented and concrete, I couldn't get them in. So finally I went in with this IV grip tape. And stuck it to the wall. I don't put anything heavy on it. And then I wanted to add something to the bed. So I added the frames. And then of course, the easiest makeover of all, the sofa cover. I added these cushion covers to the sofa. And ta-da-da-da! Now the final reveal. Let me turn on the lights. I have white lights and yellow lights in my room. This sign I made I have a single bed and a double bed. This is a nice cozy reading nook. Just a few simple changes and it just transforms the look of the room. This is a storage ottoman box that I've covered with extra cotton material, and as you can see I added those rods and hung some curtains for a nice soft look. This is my bedside table. And the computer table. This was also another inspired DIY. I'll leave a link to all my DIYs in the description box. Please be sure to check it out. And now for those close-up shots of the before and after. This was how the window area looked before, and now the after. If you have a solution to hide these wires, please do let me know in the comments down below. I'd love some ideas. That's it. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care. God bless. Bye bye. Smile, Jesus loves you.